Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install Windows 11 on VirtualBox the easy way, step by step, even if you've never used virtualization before. If you've been wanting to try Windows 11 without affecting your main PC, or you just love experimenting with new features in a safe environment, this tutorial is perfect for you. We'll walk through everything, from configuring VirtualBox, bypassing requirements if needed, and getting Windows 11 running smoothly. Alright, let's get started. First thing you want to do is open VirtualBox. Once it opens, you should see your VirtualBox dashboard. This is where all your virtual machines live. If it's your first time, don't worry, it'll be completely empty. Perfect. Now we're ready to create a brand new Windows 11 virtual machine. Let's move on. Go ahead and click the new button in the top left corner. Once you do that, a new window will pop up. In the setup window, and the first section you'll see is name and operating system. Go ahead and click that section to expand it. Once it opens up, you'll see all the basic details we need to fill in for this VM. Start by clicking on the VM name field. Here, type something like Win11. Right under that, you'll see the VM folder. This is the location where all the files for this virtual machine will be stored. If you're fine with the default path, you can leave it just the way it is. Now move down to the ISO image field. Click the drop-down arrow on the right side of it, and then choose Other from the list. This will open a file browser where you can select your Windows 11 ISO file. Once you pick it, the file name will appear in the ISO image field, which means it's loaded and ready to use. Now move down to the OS Edition field. Go ahead and click the drop-down, and you should see options like Windows 11 Pro, Home, or Education. Depending on your ISO, choose the edition you want to install. Then go ahead and uncheck Proceed with unattended installation. Next, go ahead and click Specify Virtual Hardware to expand the section. Once it opens, you'll see the options for the memory and the number of CPUs we want to assign. In the base memory field, go ahead and type in the amount of RAM you want to give the virtual machine. For Windows 11, enter at least 4096 megabytes, but if your system has enough resources, you can type 8192 megabytes for a much smoother experience. Next, move down to the processor section. Here you can choose how many CPU cores you want to assign. Windows 11 works best with 2 or more cores, so if your computer has enough, go ahead and bump it up for better performance. Next, make sure to check the UEFI option. Windows 11 requires UEFI to boot properly, so turning this on ensures the virtual machine uses the correct firmware mode for the installation. Now go ahead and click Specify Virtual Hard Disk to expand it. This will open the storage options where we can create or choose the virtual hard drive that Windows 11 will use. In the disk size field, enter how much storage you want to assign to your Windows 11 virtual machine. A minimum of 50 gigabytes is recommended, but if you have the space, feel free to increase it to 60 or 80 gigabytes for more room to install apps and store files. Once everything looks good, go ahead and click Finish. This completes the setup and creates your new Windows 11 virtual machine. Now go ahead and click Settings for some additional configuration we still need to take care of. This lets us fine-tune a few important options before we start installing Windows 11. Next, in the Settings window, go to System, and then select the Motherboard tab. Under the Motherboard tab, look for the chipset option. Go ahead and change it from PAX3 to ICH9. ICH9 provides better compatibility and is recommended for newer operating systems like Windows 11. Now go to Display, and then select the Screen tab. This is where we'll adjust the video memory and graphics settings to help Windows 11 run smoothly inside the virtual machine. Go to Display, then select the Screen tab. Set the graphics controller to VBox SVGA, and make sure to check 3D acceleration. Then, increase the video memory to the maximum allowed. This gives Windows 11 plenty of graphics resources and helps the virtual machine run much smoother. Next, go to the Storage section. Under Controller SATA, click on the VDI we created earlier, and make sure to check the solid-state drive option. This tells VirtualBox to treat the virtual hard disk like an SSD, which helps Windows 11 run faster. After making all the changes, simply click OK. This confirms and saves your settings, so your virtual machine is ready to launch. Now that everything is set up, go ahead and click Start. This will power on the virtual machine and begin booting Windows 11 from the ISO we attached. When the message appears saying press any key to boot from CD or DVD, go ahead and press any key. Once the Windows 11 setup starts, you'll see the language settings screen. Go ahead and select your language, and time and currency format. After that, click Next to continue. Now you'll see the Select Keyboard Settings screen. Here, choose your preferred keyboard layout, for example, US or whichever layout you normally use. After selecting it, click Next to continue. Next, you'll reach the Select Setup Options screen. Go ahead and choose Install Windows 11. Then check I agree. Everything will be deleted including files, apps, and settings. Once that's done, click Next to continue. When you reach the Product Key screen, go ahead and click I don't have a product key. Next, you'll see the Select Image screen. Go ahead and select Windows 11 from the list, and then click Next to continue. When you reach the Applicable Notices and License Terms screen, go ahead and click Accept. Next, you'll see the Select Location to install Windows 11 screen. Go ahead and select the unallocated space on your virtual hard disk, then click Create Partition. Enter the size you want and click Apply. Windows will automatically create 3 partitions, one for system files, one for recovery, and one for the main Windows installation. Finally, select the last partition, the one for the main Windows installation, and click Next to continue. Now you'll see the Ready to Install screen. Go ahead and click Install to begin the Windows 11 installation. From here, the virtual machine will start copying files and installing Windows, which may take some time. After a while, you'll reach the "Is this the right country or region" screen. Go ahead and select your country or region, then click Yes to continue with the Windows 11 setup. Next, you'll see the "Is this the right keyboard layout or input method" screen. Go ahead and click Yes if the default layout is correct, or select your preferred keyboard layout before proceeding. Next, you'll see the "Want to add a second keyboard layout" screen. Go ahead and click Skip unless you want to add another layout. You can always add additional layouts later in Windows 11 settings. Then, you'll see the "Let's name your device" screen. Go ahead and type a name for your computer, or click Skip for now to let Windows 11 assign a name automatically. Next, you'll see the "How would you like to set up this device" screen. At this point, press Shift F10 to open a command prompt. In the command prompt window, type Start ms-cxh, localonly, and press Enter. This will allow you to continue the setup using a local account instead of a Microsoft account. Now, you'll see the Create Local Account screen. Go ahead and enter a username. Then type a password and confirm the password for your Windows 11 account. Scroll down to answer the 3 security questions. These help you recover your account if you ever forget your password. After answering the security questions, press Tab to highlight the Next button, then click Next to continue. Now, Windows 11 will start getting things ready. This step might take a few minutes as it finalizes your settings, configures your account, and prepares your desktop for the first use. Just sit back and let it finish. Now, you'll see the Choose Privacy Settings for your device screen. Here, you can choose which options you want to enable, like location, diagnostic data, speech recognition, and tailored experiences. Go through each toggle and set them according to your preference. Once you're done, click Accept or Next to continue. Then you'll be greeted with the Windows 11 desktop. Now that Windows 11 is running, let's install VirtualBox Guest Additions. Go to the VirtualBox menu at the top, click Devices, and then select Insert Guest Edition CD image. This will mount the Guest Editions ISO in Windows 11. Once the Guest Edition CD is mounted, open File Explorer. Navigate to the virtual CD drive. Scroll down and look for vboxwindowseditions.exe. Double-click it to start the installer. follow the prompts, click Next, and accept any security prompts to complete the installation. This will enhance your VM with better graphics, shared folders, and smooth mouse integration. After the Guest Additions installation is complete, go ahead and click Finish to reboot your virtual machine. If the screen doesn't automatically adjust after reboot, don't worry, go to the VirtualBox menu, click View, and toggle Auto-Resize Guest Display off and then on. This will make Windows 11 fit your VirtualBox window correctly. And that's it. You've successfully installed Windows 11 on VirtualBox, and installed Guest Additions for the best performance. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.